Hello friends, today we will see limits by rationalizing factor. So, when to use this rationalizing factor? When you see this root and minus and root, at that time you need to use rationalizing factor. What it means? Whenever you see minus and root after or before minus, you can use rationalizing factor. It is not necessary that here it will be minus only. Here it may be plus also. So this problem of limit we will solve by rationalizing factor. So it will be limit x tends to a root 2a minus x minus root x upon a minus x. The rationalizing factor of this term is root 2a minus x plus root x. So it will be root 2a minus x plus root x upon root 2a minus x plus root x. Whenever you are using rationalizing factor, these will be a minus b and a plus b. These are the factors of a square minus b square. So this will be limit x tends to a root 2a minus x whole square minus root x whole square. Here it will be a minus x root 2a minus x plus root x. So root n square, that will be the term only. That will be limit x tends to a 2a minus x minus x upon a minus x root 2a minus x plus root x. So here it will be limit x tends to a 2a minus x upon a minus x root 2a minus x plus root x. Here if you are saying this is 2a minus 2x, so it will be limit x tends to a 2a minus 2x upon a minus x root 2a minus x plus root x. 2 will be common, a minus x will be one factor, that is limit x tends to a 2 a minus x root 2a minus x plus root x. So a minus x will get cancelled out. Now if you will put limit here, it will be 2a minus a, that is root a plus root a, right? So in the numerator and denominator you will not get 0. So now you can put limit. Whenever you are putting limit, you need to write x is not equals to a, but x tends to a means x is nearer to a. So here if you will put limit, so it will be 2 by root 2a minus a plus root a. Instead of x you can write a. So 2 by root a plus root a. So this will be 2 by 2 root a. So answer will be 2 will get cancelled out, 1 upon root a. Okay friends, now we will solve another problem. So this is limit x tends to 3. Here also minus before and after, both are root over there. So you can use rationalizing factor. So it is root x plus 5 minus 2 root 2. Here if you are saying here in the numerator and denominator at the both place, you need to use rationalizing factor. So rationalizing factor of this is root x plus 5 plus 2 root 2 upon root x plus 5 plus 2 root 2, right? Now this is root x minus 1 minus root 2. Rationalizing factor of these is root x minus 1 plus root 2 root x minus 1 plus root 2. Now if you are saying this is a minus b, a plus b, and here a minus b and a plus b. So you can use pair of these, that pair of these as a minus b, a plus b, and pair of these as a minus b, a plus b. So now you need to take x a square minus b square, that is limit x tends to 3 root x plus 5 square minus 2 root 2 whole square upon root x minus 1 whole square minus root 2 whole square. The remaining terms are these and this. So that is root x minus 1 plus root 2 upon root x plus 5 plus 2 root 2. So this will be limit x tends to 3 x plus 5 minus 2 square, that is 4, and root 2 square, that is 2. So 4 2s are 8 upon here also x minus 1 minus root 2 square is plus 2, right, or 2. Here it will be root x minus 1 plus root 2 root x plus 5 plus 2 root 2. So limit x tends to 3, 5 minus 8, that is minus 3. So x minus 3 and minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3, x minus 3. Friends, always remember, whenever you are taking rationalizing factor, some term will get cancelled out. So here it is x minus 3 root x plus 5 plus 2 root 2. Now if you will put limit in the numerator and denominator, you can see that I will not get 0 in numerator and denominator. So I can put the limit, that is x is not equals to 3 but x is tends to 3. So now I am putting the limit, that is 3 minus 1 plus root 2 upon root 3 plus 5 plus 2 root 2. So this will be root 2 plus root 2, and this is root 8 plus 2 root 2, right? Friends, here root 8. So how I can write root 8? Root 8 is 4 into 2, right? So root of 4, that is 2, and root of 2, that is root 2. So I can replace this root 8 by means of this 2 root 2. So that is root 2 plus root. So in the numerator it is 2 root 2, and in the denominator that is 2 times 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 will get cancelled out. So answer will be 1 by 2. Okay friends, now we will solve this problem. So here also in the numerator and denominator we are getting root and minus and minus and root. So we can use rationalizing factor. So limit x tends to 1 root x plus 7 minus root 3x plus 5. Rationalizing factor of this term is root x plus 7 plus root 3x plus 5 upon root x plus 7 plus root 3x plus 5, and the denominator term is root 3x plus 5 minus root 5x plus 3, and rationalizing factor of this term is root 3x plus 5 plus root 5x plus 3 upon root 3x plus 5 plus root 5x plus 3. So here friends, we can see that this is a minus b, a plus b, so it will be a square minus b square, and this is a minus b, a plus b, so this will be a square minus b square. So we can take the pair of this, and the pair of these as a minus b and a plus b terms. So this will be limit x tends to 1 root x plus 7 whole square minus root 3x plus 5 whole square. In the denominator, these and this, that is root 3x plus 5 whole square minus root 5x plus 3 whole square. The remaining terms are root 3x plus 5 plus root 5x plus 3 upon root x plus 7 plus